Mike, can you guys what this place is? This is not a bathroom. This is one of the links of our agent test area, waterproof test area. This test to simulate the performance of the LED screen in outdoor rainy day to ensure that our LED screen can maintain normal operation in bad weather and will not erode by water. Okay, let's take a look at the test process. First, we put this assembled LED screen on the conveyor and pull the vehicle to anti-landing platform. The platform is specially designed for water-resistant tests to ensure that water does not link into other areas. Once the vehicle has come to stop, we turn the switch and start simulating raining spelling. In this test, the LED screen is exposed to the continuous stream of water, and it takes for at least 20 minutes to ensure water resistance. During this time, we will carefully observe every part of the LED screen to ensure that the water permeates the interior. At the same time, we will also check the housing and connecting part of the LED screen to ensure that all seals can effectively prevent the entry of the water. Through this strict waterproof test, we can ensure that our LED screen can operate stably in a variety of adverse weather conditions, providing customers with a reliable display result. At the same time, it is also a guarantee of our product's quality. We are always committed to providing customers with the better quality products and service. See you next time. Bye.